Hey kids, welcome to my channel, and we're doing my Aiden's Big Adventure. And today we're opening the other box.
Loot Crate.
Yeah, we have the other one too.
So today we're opening Loot Crate for the month of July, I think.
Yeah, and today is my first school.
Monday will be your first day of school, yes.
I'm going to my brother's school.
Yes.
And he's going to my school.
Yes.
Which is, it will be different.
Big difference. Alright, so we're going to open Loot Crate.
Yep.
So,
My favorite
here
box.
you go. Yep, favorite box.
One.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, what's this?
Okay,
Ooh.
show them what it is.
Penguins.
So, it is, let me see. It is Adventure Time, the Nice King and Gunter.
Ooh.
So, you can see there.
I wonder who I get. Let's open it.
Open it. Oh,
Okay.
here. I'll get that real quick.
Hold on. Alright. Get this work. Alright, let's see what I get. Maybe I got the king. I got all of them.
Oh, you got all of them? So it's like a little statue?
I don't know.
Take this out here.
Maybe.
Let me take this out real quick so you can get a better picture of
Yeah.
it. Whoa.
Really?
And it just fell out.
Oh, this is like a little toy. Bruh.
Yes.
You need to get stands, like.
Okay, you have to show them. So that's the Ice King with penguins. It looked like Game of Thrones.
Really?
But yeah, so that's one, right?
Mm-hmm.
You done looking at it? Yeah?
Your turn.
Good. Alright.
Turn.
My turn?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Take turns.
Okay, and I got Lord of the Rings color changing glass. Add cold liquid and it changes. So it's Lord of the Rings color changing glass. I don't know exactly what. Let me open that real quick. Oh, no, it doesn't need tape. Let me see what it looks like, because I'm curious. Oh, watch out, there's glass. Watch out.
Wait, just glass?
Yeah, glass, like it could break.
Oh, it really is.
Here it is, and this, I mean, I don't know, just show 'em. It's just a glass. Nothing fancy. Supposedly it changes color, but
That's just lights.
no, you have to add something cold. But I believe it or not, I've never seen Lord of the Rings.
Well, my turn.
Okay. Alright, your turn. Oh, be careful.
It is a Mario t-shirt.
No,
I
it's
think.
not Mario teacher. Let me see.
Well, it is. Looks like it. Oh, this is really big.
Oh, it's Zelda.
Zelda?
Yeah, and the guy's name is Link.
Link.
Link. Yeah, it's from an old game.
Yeah, old game.
Alright, so
So I guess that's for...
that's actually licensed by Zelda.
Yeah, but that's for you.
Lootwear exclusive.
That's for you because it's really big.
Yes, that's for me.
Right? Mine.
Alright, what did you show him? You have to show him what it is.
It is,
Well, I'm trying to look.
It is a pin.
I guess you can't see it because of the light. You have to put it like this so you can see it. There you go.
It's a shield
It's
pin.
a shield crest.
A shield crest.
So I guess the theme is, let me see. Let me see the theme. It is kingdom. So that's why. So they have like the throne, Link, you know, the t-shirt.
I think there's
Lord of
a
the
one-up
Rings.
card. Well, we do have this.
What is that? Oh, that's the last one.
No,
And
there's still more.
it's a print from Lord of the Rings, I guess. I think so. Yeah, it is. Like I said, I haven't seen the movie, but that's the print. That's the tower. I know the tower just from the movie.
And there's one more.
a scene. No, that's just the. That's just the
Oh,
thing.
look, guys. We got a Nintendo Switch.
We didn't get the Nintendo Switch. We have one, but hold on, because you're ripping it. You're ripping it. Hold on. Let me say this real quick. In the box turns into. It's got the crest and it's got a shield there, and I
Yeah.
think you can make it into something else.
This isn't long though.
So yes. So you got the theme is kingdom.
Mm-hmm.
That's what the booklet says. And you got the guy in a throne.
And guess what I
And
have?
you have the pin crest. Then you had the Lord of the Ring glass. And then you have
And don't forget to ring that bell.
T-shirt. So yes.
And guess what I got?
And the print.
I am
And the print right here. That's pretty good. And let me see now. So next week, I think it's gonna be Star Trek. I think. So, anyways, it says this is from Adventure Time. That thing there. Then you have a look as timeless as the hero of time. You know, Link from Zelda. Then there's some good in this world, Mr. Frodo, and it's worth toasting too. And it says exclusive, the Lord of the Rings color changing glass. And it's the glass that I showed you guys. And then our business with Insurgent Tonight and Rock and Stone and Art. The orcs came with fire and they came with axes, gnawing, biting, breaking, hacking, burning, destroyers, and upspurs, curse, And it's the Ents march on Isengard in the Two Towers. So it's Merry and Pippin riding on top Treebeard towards the Dark Tower of Isengard because the scene perfectly captures the dangers and majesty that defines J.R.R. Tolkien's fantasy masterpiece. So yeah, so that was it. And oh yeah, so it turns into a shield, like I said, the box. And that's about it. Other than that, that's it.
I have to show my clothes.
It's fine. Thank you for being a looter artist. But anyways, so there you have it.
Look what I have, but I am off.
This is pretty good. I think that's
You
the
can
only
see-
thing that you got.
You can
So
see that I ate all these.
that's about it, guys.
Yeah.
Hopefully you enjoyed it, and we'll talk to you later.
Yoshi wants to say bye.
Oh, that's John, Aiden's brother back there.
Bye.
So I give it out of a 5. What do you give it, Aiden?
A 100% nice.
A 9. I give it probably out of 5. I give it a 3 because there was that much stuff that I like.
Don't forget to ring that bell.
And like this button.
Like this button.
No,
subscribe.
I said like this video.
Like this video and subscribe.
Uh-huh.
Into the nets.
Really?
Into the next
Oh my
video.
god. Alright, so till next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.